my goodness, Lunar Park is a great place to go. It's Misha. Misha, hey, over here. Hi, mind if I sit? Not at all. Thank you. What have you been doing lately? I haven't seen you. It's been so weird that my parents didn't get invited to Mrs. Jones' party. Then I would be at your sleepover. Hey, look, there's a kitten. Well, I'm going to go say hi. Wait, you can't talk to a cat. Yes, I can. Hello. My name's Misha. What's yours? Some people in this town don't know that cats can actually talk. They just have to listen closely. I'm Ginger, and I know who you are. I'm Misha Steven. No, you're not actually a normal kid. You do know that, right? Ooh, I need to sing the song. I'm no ordinary girl. Well, you kids are in danger. In danger how? Well, if I tell you, you're in danger because the promise hasn't been declared. What do you mean the promise hasn't been declared? Well, your friend Juliet will know everything about that. I used to be one of you. What does that mean? Well, I used to be one of you, a human. But then, by a Joan, I got turned into a cat. A Joan? My friend's a Joan. No, she's not a Joan. She's a Juliet. Wait, she's called Juliet? That's strange. Are you sure you're getting this right? Of course I'm getting this right. I'm always right. Now, whatever you do, stay away from Mrs. Jones. That was a workout. Where am I? Never seen this place before. I might be somewhere around. Look for landmarks. Look for landmarks. Juliet, can you hear me? There's something I need to tell you. Oh no, it's starting to rain. And I'm like 2 miles away from home. And how long was I gone? I better find my way back. These weird purple flowers.
Take them with you. Run past the purple flowers until you get to the next star. Be careful. They might find you. They might hurt you. Just be careful.
Little baby, just calm down. Just calm down. I got you.